Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to message someone in Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already installed and created your account in Grindr app. Let's get started. First of all, open your Grindr app. Now on the bottom of the page you can see various options. Go to your inbox. Here you can search messages and you can message anyone with whom you want to talk. This is how you message someone in Grindr app. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more related videos.